guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to teach you guys how to do a backflip. Wait a second, what is a backflip? Anyway, let me show you guys what backflip. So you will start off like this because you're preparing to go. Anyway, continuing, we're going to go down and down and down.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm gonna teach you guys how to do some big bite. Well, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make music. Let's go.
So let's go in 3, 2, 1.
So guys, welcome back to my channel. I've seen many YouTubers play games. Why not I play games?
Hey Tuba, I have this game. It's called Jump.
I bet Tuba, thank you for the information.
Okay, Shebi, you don't want.
So let me grab your leg and get it from you. Oh.
I better take.
Alright guys, let's play.
Why did you give me hard game now?
My problem, that's just not my problem.
Naman, bang naman, kundi danding bas bang naman, bang naman, bang naman, kundi danding bas bang naman, bang naman, bang naman, rhinos looking for trouble, bang naman, bang naman, bang naman, bang naman, bang naman, bang naman.
Ticket. You want subscribe before I slap your bum bum like Ryan.
Spider-Man.
Subscribe. Hello guys, so I'm going to introduce myself. Well, Tuba, thank you. He's Ribbit. You know that is my who's a good doggy. Well, my name is Cribbit, the frog. I'm very strong and I have a friend named Tuba who's very annoying. Adventure sometimes with my drive.
Oh!
Who is this disturbing my book? And that's all about me. Bye. Hold on, what the hell? This earth is full already. Just go somewhere else. Jeez, you're so disgusting. Oh, I'm so sorry, you guys. I'll stop the video. Shut the hell up and accept your fate. No. Well, hello guys, but today, so you know the last video, Cribbit broke my computer, so what I'm going to be using is the only thing I have left. So please, can you guys subscribe, because I'm about to hit 1 million, number 1, and 2, please, before my laptop dies, please bring a big shout out to me that Tuba is the best. Thank you. You destroy my own device and play with yours happily, or you won't see your life again. Get a Tuber. Thunder. No, let you destroy my planet! Oh, for a stupid camera! Next time, don't destroy my device, idiot.
KO.